Hi, this is Vikas Kumar, and I am here to tell you something about biology. So, we will study about today structure of embryo sac. Let's see, embryo sac is also known as female gametophyte. Female gametophyte, right? It is also known as female gametophyte, right? So in the embryo sac we have two sides, two pole, chalazal end and the micropylar end, and we have different parts. So outer layer of the embryo is known as outer integuments, and the inner layer of the ovule is inner integuments, right? We have different types of cells in this ovule. In mature ovule we have seven cell 8 nucleated. This embryo sac is 7 cell 8 nucleated embryo sac. This is called anatropous ovule. Anatropous ovule. Why we call it anatropous ovule? Because the funicle, hilum and the body of the ovule is at the 180-degree angle to the funiculus. Funiculus is that part that attaches the body of ovule toward the pedicel. So funicle and the hilum is the attachment of the body of ovule to the funiculus, and the body of the ovule is one side attached with the raphe, right? These are the attachment. Raphe is the one side attachment towards the funiculus, and the hilum is the attachment to the body of ovule to the funiculus. This is the hilum, right? Okay, now we have 7 cells in the mature ovule. Antipodal cells which are present towards the chalaza and there are 3 antipodal cells and the 2 polar nuclei, and this is called central cell. This portion is called central cell, and in the central cells there are 2 polar nuclei that contains the 2 nucleus, right? And the 3 sevens female cells which are present in the middle of synergid cells, right? Female cell present in between the synergid cells, and this is the micropylar end, and over here the filiform apparatus is present. Filiform apparatus. So what are the function of these cells? And the function of antipodal cells, they provide the nourishment to the growing ovule. This provide the nourishment. Antipodal cells provide the nourishment, and the polar nuclei will undergo the triple fusion. When one male nucleus will come here, then they will fuse polar nuclei and the male nuclei combine together, and they will form they undergo a triple fusion, and this triple fusion leads to the formation of endosperm, and this endosperm will provide the nourishment to the growing embryo. They will provide the nourishment to growing embryo. And here the female cell and the male nucleus, they undergo the syngamy. Right? So they will form the zygote. Female cell and one nuclei will form the zygote, and this process is known as syngamy. Syngamy is the fusion of male cell and the male nucleus is known as syngamy, and syngamy and the triple fusion takes place simultaneously. So these two events, triple fusion and the syngamy, these two events is known as double fertilization. So this is very important that syngamy and triple fusion, these two processes takes place simultaneously. So this is known as double fertilization. So dear students, this is the very important structure of the embryo sex which come in your CBSE board exam as well as in the sense in the CBSE NEET exam. It will come definitely. Thank you. Have a nice day.